welcome back to my channel. It's Daljeet here, and today I have created this summery dewy makeup look. As we all know, summer makeup look is very wearable makeup look, and you can wear it anytime, daytime, nighttime, in your parties, when you're going out for a dinner. So it's all about nude shades, how you will pick up the shades, peachy shades and rose shades. So I have created this peach look with a bronzer look. I hope you will love this look and you will recreate this look. If you recreate it, please post it on my Instagram page. And thank you so much for watching my video. Let's begin with the look. I'm using Maybelline medium shade above my eyes for my base, for my eyeshadow. After putting concealer eyes, I'm gonna set using here MAC medium shade compact to set concealer. Now I'm gonna use from Huda Beauty Neon Palette. I'm gonna use this center shade. This is very nice peachy shade because we are doing a summer makeup look. So I'm gonna put it above my crease with my Morphe blending brush. I think I'm coming closer. Now I'm gonna use after that second shade. This is the corner shade, little more peachier than the other one, and I'm gonna put it above my crease but on the outer corners of my eyes. Use a Zoeva brush, a flat brush, eye makeup brush. You can use any brush, whatever you have. And I'm gonna take this peach shade from the same palette and I'm gonna put it above my Now I'm gonna use with the same flat blending brush. I'll take Cocoa shade and I'm put it on the outer corners of my eye. With the help of any blending brush, you can just blend the outer shade with your crease. Now I'm gonna use a brown pencil. This is from Wet and Wild. Any brown pencil you can use, and I'm gonna help of this small brush, something like this. I'm gonna smudge my liner. Now last, or for eyes, I'm gonna take this small cylindrical shape brush, and I'm gonna use this peach shade again from the same Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna put on the crease. L'Oreal mascara. We're gonna wipe our under eye. I'm using Bioderma makeup remover and it's very nice and it's easily available in India also. After moisturizing, I'm gonna use my foundation, my Too Faced foundation, and it's really good for dry skin and sensitive skin. I have super sensitive skin and it's really get bad in summers. so much dryness. I have just only used moisturizer on my face after cleaning, and now I'm gonna use my after blending your foundation on your face. I always say take your foundation below your neck also, so the color for your face and neck needs to be same, otherwise it look very awkward. A concealer, I'm using a Shape Tape concealer from in 27H light medium honey shade. After concealer, I'm gonna blend it nicely. I'm using Fenty Beauty Mocha shade for my contouring, and I'm gonna bring it from edge of my ear to my nose. I'm gonna bring, the more closer you put, the more thinner your nose will look. And for the forehead also, it's same. You want to make your, if you have a big forehead, if you want to make it look smaller, then you put it around your chin. Today I'm gonna blend my contouring with the beauty blender, and I'm gonna do upper strokes like this. And do a bronzing on my face with the Hoola. This is a bronzer from Benefit. With any small brush, you can use around your nose. Now I'm gonna use a big Sigma F30 brush, and I'm gonna use this as a bronzer brush, and I'm gonna take my Hoola bronzer powder and I'm gonna use it for bronzing, because this is going to be a very dewy summer look. So summer makeup is all about shine, dewiness, and a tanning, a natural shade on your face. If you take a big brush, it's gonna really help you to blend nicely. As you can see, this side and this side. Yeah, we're gonna do a baking, and I'm gonna use my Laura Mercier translucent powder, and this is a baking powder I'm gonna use under my eyes. I'm using a Sigma highlighting brush, and I'm gonna placing this powder under my eyes. I'm gonna leave it there for And I'm using a Canes from NYX, and it's very pretty summery shade. And I'm gonna use Huda Beauty Interview shade. I'm gonna use Benefit highlighter for my cheeks and my on the nose, in the center of my nose, from Uncooked over. Now I'm going to use my highlighter, powder highlighter. For a dewy look, you always have to use first a cream highlighter on your face. Then above that, you use your powder highlighter. I'm going to use my eyelash. Thank you so much for watching my channel. If you like this look, please leave a comment and let me know if you want to see more look from me, and ring the bell button so you will get all the notification in your inbox. Thank you so much. Good night. Bye bye.